Okay, rating Dubai job positions. That is our topic today. So if you're new here, my name is Rahma. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified every time we post a video. Hi, I have some Kenyans who are watching. Mambo VP, UAE. Why always that word is getting out from my head? Rahma, you're not a good person. So for UAE, Sabah al Hail. For my fellow Ugandans, Mwasuzemtia. It's morning here, yeah. Mwasuzemtia. And what else? For French, bonjour. Yogala. I don't want to waste any time for here, guys. Rating Dubai jobs, Dubai job positions. Okay. Yeah, we're going to start from down. I have my notebook, so I'm going to be rating out of 10, and for you also, you'll be rating in the comment section if you're working here or if you're coming here. So I'll be rating them, and I'll be giving the reasons why I'm giving them also that marks, that points, yeah, if it is less or if it is high. And if you're new here, last week we started with 2 topics, so you can go back to those topics and rate what I'm trying to talk about. So I have administration. That will include like reception. People tend to be like those front people you tend to find in different offices. Those are the one I'm meaning. So I have that. I have transportation, I have customer service, I have hospitality, I have food, and I have retail. But let us go back and start with the reception, guys. What do you think? I think last time I did tell you the salary for reception. If you're applying for this position will give you a lot of freedom. It always have like they will say 9 to 5. Yeah, it will be 9 to 5. Offices will be closed. So once the offices close, and your work will be closing, unlike other positions. Then you off all weekend. If UAE is saying we have weekend on Friday, Saturday, you will be off on Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. So it gives you all those liberty. If there is public holidays, you will be closing, unlike other positions. But rating it in terms of cash, I'll give it a 6. Yeah, 6, because I have not seen it having a lot of benefits apart from the salary. Comment down in the comment section, guys. Another thing is transportation. Last time I told you transportation, point number 2 is transportation. Transportation is includes like public buses, taxis, those people attending to bus people, school buses, what else? All those transportation, accommodation transportation, company transportation. So I'll give it a 6 also. Why I'm giving it I'll give it a 5, even not a 6. Let us give it a 6. It is risk. Sometimes you have to be careful. You need to be careful on the road. You need to be careful. Even if you are attending to children, you need to be careful about the children. You need to be careful about how you drive. For the taxis, fines. Here you can get a fine very easily. So you're entitled to pay. You're entitled to pay for that fine. So those fines, guys, I know the pain, because we have a car here, and I know how it feels when you're paying for that fines. So the fines, the cutting your money over, you see. So I'll give it a 5. Yeah, I'll give it a 5. I don't know if you guys you have other benefits like other positions, but I'll give it a 5. Then the next one is customer service. Oh my god, this is what you're interested in. Everyone is interested about this. So customer service also has that. Depends on the company which is hiring you, but you have a lot of benefit. You're going to meet new faces, especially those people who are working at the airport. You're meeting new people. You're working in a corporate world. You're working in a corporate world. No need to stress yourself apart from answering. So you should be ready to answer people's questions. You should be happy. So you're working in a free environment, and you're earning your money plus some extra benefits. Give an example. If you're working for Emirates, you have a free ticket. You have all those extra. So I'll give it a 8. Yeah, of course, a 8. Let me leave that to myself. Write it down. Hospitality, guys. Hospitality. Last time I told you hospitality, all about apartments, hotels, all that. So I'll give it a 7. I'll give hospitality a 7, guys. Reason being, you have all what you want. You can get food, you can get accommodation, you can start from nowhere and you grow. Hotels are big. You can start as a housekeeper and you end up as a chef, depending on what you want. Excuse the noise. Okay, you can start as a waitress or a housekeeper and you end up as a chef. You can start as a waitress and you end up as a manager. So you have that, all that to grow. Yeah, you have all that chance to grow. So I'll give it a 7. Yeah, I think a 7. A 7 is fine. So then I'll talk about food. Food, I'll give it a 9, guys. UAE is designed for tourist attraction, meaning food is number one priority. Food is number one priority. You can see how safe food is, how many you have to undergo different means. Food is so important. You can see, you can move on the street and you see like 10 restaurants opposite each other. So I'll give it a 9. If you choose food, you can easily grow. You can move from where you want, depends on the experience you want. You can move to areas, guys. There are some good areas at Atlantis. Give an example. You're working there and people they are paying to go and visit those areas. Burj Khalifa. You're working in Burj Khalifa, but people are paying a good amount of money to go and visit those areas. So you have all the time and you have benefits, guys. If you're working in a restaurant, I will not tell you each and everything. You can check the other videos I talked about, but you have all those benefits if you're working in restaurant. Give an example, waitress. I always give waitress but there are other positions under food. So you have tip, you have guys, you have a lot, service charge, you have your salary, they can give you transport allowance, you have chance to meet also new people. So I'll give it a 9, guys. Then number 2 is number last is retail. So retail, I already told you all about sales associate, merchandisers, cashiers, what. Although even food we have cashiers, guys. Don't forget that we have cashiers also in food. But sales, those are the kind of people who tend to attend to you in different shops or different retail stores. Yeah, those are the kind of people I'm talking about. Retail. So I'll give retail, I think I'll give it a 8. I'll give it a 8. Which position? I think customer service should go on 10. What do you think? Leave in the comment section. So I'll give it a 8 for retail. Reason being, you can easily grow your mind. Sorry, you can easily grow your mind. You have also all those benefits, not like the way waitress are having benefits. Yeah, you will find a waiter or a barista or anyone working in food having like too much benefit considered to retail. So I'll give retail a 8. Yeah, they have that strong salary, the one they always get. But still, even in retail, in food, let me go back to food. Food, you're going to learn, guys. You have all your chances to learn new things. Sorry. So you have all chances to learn new things. You have food. If you ventured, like me, I did hotel management and food production. So I have learned a lot of things here, considering which I didn't learn in my course, the one I did in my diploma. So yeah, you have all the chances to learn a lot of things. So same to sales associate. If you know you want to venture in sales, UAE will train you guys, will train you to be that person. If you have been handling on recruits, here you will be handling cash, talking to customers, knowing how to do marketing, everything. So I'll give sales an 8, okay, or retail at 8. Unless you have any query, just leave it in the comment section. If you need any topic you want me to talk about, also leave it in the comment section, guys. Don't forget, here we're not sharing those big positions, the one you know are big positions, guys. But if you want any topic for me to talk about, leave it in the comment section. Yeah, this week we have 2 sit down videos. So yeah, I think I have got a perfect time for, because I have to post a vlog every week. Then I'll be posting also this sit down 2 and 1 vlog every week. So inshallah, don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified every time we post a video. And thank you so much for those who are commenting. Leave a comment. Love you. Ciao ciao. See you.